So I've been trying to make this game. Close all of that. So I made Pong following the tutorial yesterday, and it's come out pretty decent. Well, spoiler. Oops. Okay. So run file in Python console. Cool. Amazing.
You waste me.
So yeah, I made like this strange Pong variation. Maybe it's Pong. Stuff I don't understand about it is how the ball speeds up and slows down of its own accord. I don't know if that's a problem with the computer or if you see that. The problem with my programming, I'm not sure, but I mean I follow the tutorial exactly. The guy's tutorial seemed fine. Like just there again. Another thing would be that both paddles can't move at the same time for some reason. For example, if I hold down the up arrow key and I hold down the W key, both paddles won't move. Only one of them will move. There we go. Do it again.
You waste me.
So it's very strange. So like both players have to tap, otherwise one player has a one of the players has an advantage. Again, you see that I went through the paddle just there. So there's quite a few things which I need to fix and need to work on, but like I, to be honest, no idea what I'm doing. And we'll get there. But yeah, so I've tried to, before I move on to the next stage of programming, I've tried to translate this into another game, and using this framework of Pong, I'm trying to write a football game, or soccer if you're in America, but yeah, like a football game. So I've got everything down here. In the tutorial, the guy said, like, you know, put this Windows listen, what would it be? Function? I don't know. Put it like, he taught us to put it everywhere. So if we go down to here, like, on the keyboard binding is above all of them. I'm not quite sure why, to be honest, but it works just as fine for me having it there, which is what I found. I quickly learned that the main game loop is for the main game, so I had to like remove it from the rest of it because it was messing it up. What else did I do? I was always setting X and setting Y wrong. I was doing X core and Y core instead of set Y set X. Yeah, I'm not quite sure still what this turtle really means. I understand like this is calling on the imported turtle thingy-majig, not function, and this is not sure what that is, to be honest, but I'll learn about that. Yeah, what else is there? What's going on here? Don't know why that's like that. Yeah, stick football. Yeah, very interesting code. So yeah, so like if you play this game, I'm having a few problems with the interaction. So if you play this, what we can, okay, not that. I don't understand why it does that, to be honest, but okay. So my paddles, my footballers move how they do, up and down, pretty simple, and left and right, pretty brilliant, right? It's amazing. Got the scores there, and I've even made a little goal here. I wish I could draw more than shapes, because then I would like have a full-on goal. But yeah, it is what it is for now. Anyway, so my intention, firstly, I don't know where the ball's gone. Yeah, I think that was it. Alright, the ball's meant to be in the middle. But anyway, so the intention is for, you know, to play like how you play. So you come out and then player one would hit the ball, like dribble it, come down, all like building on the framework of Pong, which is a paddle, a ball interacting, and the ball moving in a certain direction. In theory, you could tackle him, I guess. Didn't really think about that. But yeah, in theory, I guess you could tackle the other player, get the ball off him, and get to the other side. And if you dribble to the other side and put the ball into the ball touches there, restart. Well, you can't see me tapping the screen, but if the ball touches the goal, then it restarts in the center of the screen, and both players restart. So that's the intention with it, where it's not working in practice for some strange reason. I'm not quite sure why, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, what can I say? I'll show you the code. Also, like, maybe not just dribble it, but maybe you can hit this and it like goes a few pixels forward, giving the opportunity for the other person to maybe intercept, do something like that. But yeah, let's look at the code now. The problem I'm having is, firstly, I had the ball moving because that's what the guy had in Pong. I tried moving, but it's just not like. And the reason it's doing that is because I added in this extra code over here about the interaction, but we'll come to that anyway. So I stopped this from moving in the first place because I don't want the ball to be moving. Well, I want it to move, but not of its own accord. So over here, I don't know what's going on, to be honest, but we'll come back. So I understand like the y coordinates, and if the ball's y coordinates are less than the second player's y coordinates plus 50 pixels, and what if I take that away? What if I just remove that? Great. Nothing happened. You see, things were happening before, which I just didn't quite understand, and I'll show you. So, what am I doing? So 340. Yeah, so like, you see this, right? The ball's moving towards the goal. Now I've got the guy here, my paddle, my football player. If I move up, how many pixels is that? Move up, 1, 2, 3, goes forward. Amazing. Go back down 1, it resets there. I go down 1, 2, 3, it goes back. But like, it's not coherent either. I could keep going down, it just switches where it's gonna go, or it just changes, you know. So, I mean, I don't know what's going on. I've got to figure it out, man. Got to figure this out. It's very strange. Yeah. Well, I can't interact. Alright. Anyway, it's kind of like just documenting for myself. But we'll see. We'll see Wagwan, man. We'll see Wagwan in Leo. But if this gets like any views, let me know. Something. I used to do YouTube in the past, and I really like applied any of my speaking skills to this. But it is what it is. Anyway, see you later. How the hell do I stop the recording?